Well, good morning. Welcome to another episode of LendAPI Academy. Today we're going to keep on digging into a new way of starting your application, which is through document scan. One of our core technologies is lending operating system, decision engine, and full stack of third-party plugins. But within the onboarding stage, a lot of people likes to pull credit, asking for information, have people log into open banking applications. But there are other folks that want to start with just scanning a basic form of ID to get the application started. So you guys know that we have our DocAI product. We're keep on adding new types of documents to be scanned. And today I'm going to show you how to scan in driver licenses. So we're going to head on over to our DocAI tool. I'll get our keys ready to go here. I'm going to sign in. And as you can recall, we scanned in Social Security cards last time. You can click on eyeballs and retrieve the image, or I can get this task ID, I believe, and I retrieve, check the status on it, so we can get the image back. But anyways, so we're gonna do a new document today. Let's go with the same folder I created before, and this time we're gonna do a driver license. So I'm gonna browse the file. I'm gonna grab a driver's license from our demo environment here, Wisconsin. How about this one? This one looks pretty funky. Let's go and load this license in, and we're going to use the synchronous mode and analyze the document because there's only really one page for us to look at. So it's going to go through the imaging process, analyze the driver license, and see if we can extract all of the information off the driver license. The idea here is that we could use that information and call the credit bureau directly. Basically, if somebody has a phone, take a picture of the driver license. On the very next page, of course, you got to obtain FCRA consent. On the very next page, you should be able to display an offer. So here we have, by the way, some of the YouTube audience are saying that, we shouldn't expose people's PIIs. Just for full disclosure, these are not real. These are facsimiles, not real driver license or social security cards. So we're not really exposing anybody's private data. So this is a New York City, New York State driver license, and kind of angled a little bit, but our system still be able to pick up everything. So on the right hand side again, we have a confidence score. The image quality is a little bit lower because it's on an angle. It's not really like a facsimile kind of a picture. And down here, you will see Robert Jason Blum, which is his last name, right, and first and middle name, date of birth, address, all of that stuff is clearly sort of extracted from this information. Expiration date on the driver license is important. The license number, the class, and the issuing date and locations are all there. And there are a bunch of information on the bottom here. Some of these are located at different places, but you can see that there's gender, height, weight, and things like that. Of course, we're probably not going to use all this for underwriting, but all of these, nonetheless, all of these are sort of scanned in, including eye color. And then it will go into details about the document feature, the watermark, some of the security features like a holographic overlays and things like that. And the signature is visible on the bottom of the this person's photo. And there are additional fields for other type of information that's not hidden, but summarized on the bottom here, so that all that information is extracted. So I believe, if you can use name, date of birth, address, this is the main component for anybody to pull a credit report. You don't necessarily have to have a social security number. So if somebody scans in this document, gets some consent, and maybe there are some other kind of authentication tools where you can compare the the face of the applicant to the driver license, then you should be able to pull credit right there and then to speed up the application process. So anyways, for more information, please head on to our website, LendAPI, and head on to our products and go to Doc.ai. You can book a demo with us, but this is pretty clearly understood kind of a tool, and it is integrated into our platform. So if you want to do a quick onboarding process, 1 or 2 pages, especially in the retail kind of a situation, the embedded finance situation inside of a store, give us a shout. We should be able to help you. Thank you again. This is Tim, co-founder and CEO of LendAPI. Thank you. Bye-bye.